Hi, I want to show you how to fix unable to receive or make calls on iPhone after iOS 18 update. Firstly, we can refresh connection with the help of airplane mode. So swipe down from the top right to trigger control center, tap on the square section and find airplane mode. Now click on it once to see status on. Wait a bit 10 to 15 seconds and turn it back off. Because as you can see, when it's on, it disables Wi-Fi, mobile data as well as AirDrop, and it can help to refresh our connection. You can do the same for settings. So just open up your settings and on the top you can find airplane mode. When it's green, then it's on, and you can see the same icon in the top right, and when it's white, then off. Now we can also try to restart the phone. For that, quickly press volume up button, then volume down, and then hold this side button until you see Apple logo appears on the screen. Make sure you're not touching the screen during this process. So just wait for the Apple's icon appear on the screen. And once you see Apple logo, just wait a few seconds and your phone will turn back on. Now, let me unlock my phone after it restarts. Go in Settings, tap on General, tap About, and if a pop-up window appears prompting you to update your operator settings, click Update. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. Also, in General Settings, scroll down and find option Transfer or Reset iPhone. So from here, tap on Reset and then Reset Network Settings. This section will require you to enter the device password and reset the network settings to factory defaults. Keep in mind that you will need to reconnect to Wi-Fi and other Bluetooth devices after that. The next thing we can do is check blocked contacts list. For that, go ahead and find your apps section and in your apps search for the phone app. Now start scrolling down till you can see section blocked contacts and make sure that you cannot see blocked contact from which you wanna receive phone calls. If you can see them in this list, click on Edit, tap on the minus and choose to unblock those people. Now we can also find here section Silence Unknown Callers and turn that off as well to ensure that all calls are received. The next thing I want you to check is DND mode or any other focus mode enabled on your device. So for that, swipe down from the top right to trigger Control Center, tap on the focus section, and if you can see that any of your focuses are on, then it might be a problem and it may interrupt all the incoming calls. So turn off your focus modes by clicking them once like that. Now we can also check software updates. So open settings again, go back in main settings, tap on General, tap software update, and here just follow on-screen instructions to update your phone. And the last advice is to contact your service provider to make sure that there are no problems with your account. If you have a physical SIM card, you can use the SIM tray right here on the side of the device to remove it and then insert it back in. Make sure that the card is inserted correctly. For that, take this tool, which is called ejector, and goes in a compact body device. Then place it in this little hole on the SIM tray. Press it to see this info no SIM available. Then remove it. Make sure that SIM card is inserted correctly with the chip side upwards. And put it back in the phone and make sure that it closed completely. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.